The cheese is made in a way that's been made for thousands of years. We take the raw milk of our own cows, we bring them down and we add some rennet to it and a bit of horticulture. The cheese makes effectively a milk jelly, which you can see, and we then start to cut it, so we separate the curds from the whey. So we get this beautiful shiny curd that appears that's going to be the cheese. As time goes on, we will then start to remove the curd and we start to let the whey off. Hi, I'm Jackie. Welcome to Doddington Dairy. We make ice cream, cheese and yoghurt up here in the Glendale Valley of Northumberland, near Wooler. So we bring the milk along each morning from our own herd of dairy cows, and we turn it either into cheese or into yoghurt or into ice cream. The ice cream is made from natural ingredients. We only use very simple ingredients, so all our ice creams are based on milk, cream, sugar, skim milk powder and free-range egg yolks, and then we add the flavours. The cheese is made using again our own cow's milk, but this time we generally use the raw unpasteurised milk of the cows here. Yeah, we try and work with other businesses, so particularly with ice cream flavours, it's quite nice to use produce from around Northumberland. So we use heather honey from the Chambridge Honey Farm near Berwick upon Tweed. We use Newcastle Brown Ale in one of our ice creams, Annick rum. We use meringues from a local supplier. So we feel that it's been important to work with other businesses from Northumberland. When people come to Northumberland as tourists or visitors, they actually can see that we are a made in Northumberland product, which might be different from something that they would get elsewhere, and gives them a flavour of the region. The benefits of us being produced in Northumberland to our customers means that they know that we have been actually audited as a business, and there's a guarantee that what they're getting is what it says on the tin effectively.
So I'm Si King from the Hairy Bikers, as I hope you know, and I'm incredibly proud to be helping promote a new initiative which is called Produced in Northumberland. And all of this is what we do.